Hi all of you. In this video we will talk about the graph theory. आज हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? ग्राफ थ्योरी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि ग्राफ थ्योरी होता क्या है. ग्राफ थ्योरी बेसिकली आपके पास एक सब्जेक्ट होगा जिसमें आपको ये पता करना पड़ेगा कि ग्राफ थ्योरी किसके रिलेटेड है, इसमें क्या है. ओके, फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट अबाउट ग्राफ. व्हाट इज ग्राफ? ग्राफ होता है क्या? So we have write down here graph. Basically, when we talk about graph consists of the two things, edge and vertices. Okay, so graph means a linear graph consists of set of objects called vertices. ठीक है, vertices होंगी for example v1, v2, v3, v4 and so on. एक ग्राफ में अगेन और क्या चीज़ें होंगी? एजेस होंगी e1, e2, e3, e4 and so on. Alright, so a linear graph is consist of vertices and edges. For example, we have made this one is graph. This is a graph. How can we identify this is a graph? This is a vertex v1, this is a vertex v2, this is a vertex v3 and this is a vertex v4. Alright, the line which connect the vertices from one point to another point, that line is called edge. This is e1, e2, e3 and e4. ठीक है, point to point representation is called vertices and the line segment joining these vertices is called edges. Alright, suppose this is v1 vertex and this is v2 vertex. तो ये points क्या हो गए? Vertices हो गए. But the line joining the vertices v1 and v2 vertices को जो आपस में join कर रहा है वो क्या हो जाएगा? Edge. It is called edge. So totally we contain a graph. We have represent this is graph. How can we identify this is a graph? It contains the vertices and the number of edges. Always remember the number of vertices equals to the number of edges. Suppose in this structure we have 4 edges and 4 vertices v1, v2, v3 and v4. Again e1, e2, e3 and e4. Alright, so this is a, ये क्या फॉर्म हो जाएगा आपके पास? ग्राफ. Okay, this is graph. Next, when we talk about types of graph, types या फिर इसकी applications के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, so it contain the two things. First is finite graph and second is infinite graph. Okay, finite graph means a graph with the finite number of vertices as well as the finite number of edges, जिसमें कि finite number of vertices होंगी और finite number of edges होंगी e1, e2, e3 and e4. So this is called the finite graph. This one is called the finite graph. Okay, and the opposite of this यानी कि जिसमें finite number of vertices और edges नहीं होंगी, so this is called infinite graph. Okay, okay, next thing is what do you, so we have understand this one is graph. What is graph? Graph is a mixture या फिर is a combination of edges and vertices. How can we represent a graph? A graph contain always number of edges and number of vertices. What is edge? Line segment which connect the one vertices to another vertice is called edge. Okay, so this is two types of graph is there, finite graph and infinite graph. Infinite graph with infinite number of vertices and edges, infinite graph. ठीक है, finite number of vertices and edges is called finite graph. Okay, this is all about the graph. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about the other functions and other topics related to graph theory. Thank you and have a nice day.